Roles of the President, Group 2. The President as Chief Administrator. For civics, part of Chief Executive. The President's Chief Administrative role focuses on maintaining the framework needed to carry out policy. In other words, the Chief Administrator's job is to make sure the executive branch is running smoothly and doing its job. Carrying out policy is far too big a job for one person, even the President. So instead of trying to do it all alone, the President manages many federal departments and agencies that make up the federal executive branch. The executive branch is made up of the 15 cabinet departments and a number of other agencies and regulatory commissions. These departments, agencies, and commissions make sure that public policy is being carried out according to the President's plans. How does the President manage this bureaucracy? The President can appoint department heads, some of whom serve as cabinet advisors. The President can also establish new departments, increase or decrease the size of existing departments, or reorganize them so that they work more efficiently. It is part of the President's job to decide how to handle problems that arise in the government. One way a president might choose to do this is to fire officials who are seen as responsible for mistakes publicly. In 1981, President Reagan fired more than 11,000 members of the Federal Aviation Administration after they disobeyed the president's order to end an illegal strike. The strike had impacted air travel negatively across the nation, and it was the president's job to remedy the problem. Publicly firing such a large group of people sent a message that the government would not tolerate illegal strikes. It also shielded the president from the criticisms he might have received if he had chosen not to act and allowed the situation to get worse. Just as a CEO might be held responsible for problems within his or her company, the president often is held responsible for government problems and inefficiencies. In 2014, President Obama was blamed for the crash of the new healthcare website created as part of the government healthcare reforms. While President Obama was not directly responsible for the website problems, he still received a majority of the blame.